Hello dear traders. For today, I decided to cover USD versus Canadian dollar. I will cover gold market and euro versus US dollar. I will start with the USD versus Canadian dollar first. So what I found here basically is that on the daily, we still have this convergence from the bottom and this breakout of this mini drift pattern to the upside. On the hourly time frame, we can find there was a ABC, and market is trying to establish the higher low on the hourly. So I guess if we trade above 1.2373, we'll set the higher low. So building the higher low, so probably breaking of the 1.2373 can mark eventual upside continuation, at least to revisit the previous swing high at 1.2390, and then eventually to open the door for test of 1.2400, and even higher prices like 1.2440 or 1.2475. So definitely watch for the upside opportunities on the USD versus Canadian dollar. There was a momentum to the upside. There was a momentum that happened here, where the market went in the 2 hours about 0.5, 0.6%. Market did this corrective, from my perspective, corrective phase, and now trying to build a higher low. So it seems like we're trying to regain the power, and buying opportunities are preferable. On the gold market, we had a big sell-off from Friday, but market is building the higher lows here on the hourly time frame. Daily time frame from the other side is basically just around that major pivot high. If you see, we are just right now inside of this pin bar from Friday. So we are basically building the higher lows. We already established a higher low, and it seems like the price wants to retest again that high that we got from the Friday's drop, 1813. So my advice here will be basically either to watch for upside towards the 1820, 1813 level, and then to focus on the high from 1813, right? If we speak about, so hourly is building the higher lows, and we are basically inside the pin bar range. Overall, since this was a hard supply, we are in this heavy supply zone, but with a building the higher lows. So upside might be in the play. If we do any kind of violation, we start to build, or we take, or we have some sell-off starting, probably we can retest the low. And speaking of the euro dollar, there is a breakdown. Euro dollar is breaking 5 or 6 days consolidation. We're breaking this consolidation to the downside, and seems like a daily time frame wants to resell, right? Probably towards the pin bar low here around 1.1585 and 1.1570. We also have a low from October 12th, 1.5525. So it seems like this is a reselling phase. We had a rally, we got a few bar balance, we got another balance, and now we're breaking downside. It's looking pretty bearish. So bearish opportunities on the rallies will be preferable strategy for this condition. That will be all for today. I hope that you did enjoy, and see you all tomorrow morning.